Hi everyone, welcome to Agnish Corner. And guess what? Where am I today? I'm at Ipoh today and I'm at this place called Sri Ananda Bhavan. Alright, and I'm so hungry. Okay, I heard this place has good food, they serve good food. So I'm going to go in and check out the food. Let's go. Guys, these are the special items made here. They have, they have chicken biryani, mutton biryani, crab, seafood, fish biryani. And you have a look at the biryani. It's exactly what I ordered. And then they also have the crab, okay, crab masala. Okay, these are all the variety of the chicken. They have fried chicken. It looks good though. Chicken 65. Down here we have chili chicken. This is something unique. This is home style chicken. Wow. And chicken sambal. Fried fish. This I think is fried crab. And also there's fish. Okay, and this is the mutton peratal. Chicken peratal. And bulbul. So I would say that there's a wide variety here. Looks awesome. It's nice. Okay, so I'm just going to take a walk out of the shop now. Okay, I forgot about the vegetables. They have all the vegetables here. So those of you who are vegetarian, it'll be easy because one session here they have for vegetarians. Another session here is actually for non-veg. Tahu sambal looks good, and also vegetarian.
Vegetarian mutton.
This is vegetarian mutton. Okay, and okay, tandoori over here. Tandoori fish. Okay, specialty of here, I think it's tandoori fish. First time of me seeing this kind of tandoori fish. Looks good. And these are the tandoori. And then here we have the Anand making the roti canai, freshly made. Looks good. It's all freshly done here. Okay, my biryani has arrived now, right here at Ananda Bhavan. So you guys can have a look at my biryani. The biryani over here. It comes with an egg. Alright, and then we have raita here. This is some sort of veggie, which people call it as pulcha kira, and it also comes with this sambal chicken. So I'm going to dig in now and let's see how it tastes like. Right? I'm just going to use Indian style with my 5 fingers. Right? I'm just going to dip it a bit with this pulcha kira. Wow, it's awesome. Guys, actually when I was in Penang, I did check out the Ananda Bhavan actually at Batu Ferringhi. That's because maybe I went for dinner, so I didn't have time to order the biryani. So I regret that. This is awesome. Alright. Just going to dip it a bit with this chicken sambal. Not bad. I have the same kind of drink eating in India. Alright. And this is the raita. This has been my all-time favorite actually. Boiled egg. So I'm going to enjoy my meal. Catch you guys later. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you all the snacks which is available here at Ananda Bhavan, Ipoh. Alright, so is the uncle here? Uncle, where is it?
Surya.
Uncle's name is Surya. Okay, Mr. Surya will explain to us all the names of the dishes here. Quiz. Okay, and this will be? This is Adarasam. Yellow Adarasam. Surlapam. Okay.
Samosa.
Ullakalanga samosa.
Dal vadai.
Dal vadai.
Banana Cipro,
Okay, banana chocolate,
onion bonda,
onion bonda,
onion pakoda,
onion pagoda,
vade,
vade, ulundu vade.
ullu vade,
Okay,
kara pakoda.
kara pagoda. This is something new. Okay, nice.
This one boli.
Okay, this is boli,
This one onion samosa.
onion samosa,
This one chokoro.
pagoda.
That one normal curry puff.
Okay, that means this is actually a potato curry puff, right?
Sweet.
This is sweet potato.
Sweet.
Okay.
This walaka bhaji.
Okay, this is Valanga Bhaji. I think it looks the same as in India. Okay, it's very hard to find here in Malaysia. One here. So these are all the items here in Ananda Bhavan, Ipoh. Okay, and then I'm going to show you a little bit of the sweets. Okay, this is kesari, sweet kesari over here.
And this one pulut.
Pulut. Wow, this looks mouth-watering. And over here,
This one fruit halwa.
this is fruit halwa. Okay, have a look here.
Mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit halwa. Okay, and then here we have gulab jamun.
Kesari, kesari.
This is kesari.
And this one black fruit.
This is black wajit. Okay, and then also the
This one samosa chicken.
chicken samosa. Okay, guys, very important. You see, they have the vegetarian items over this side. Okay, these are the vegetarian items. And these are all the non-vegetarian. Okay, so this is mutton,
No, chicken curry puff.
chicken curry puff, and last here we have
This one egg puff.
okay egg pop. Okay, sounds new. Okay, so when you guys come down to Ananda Bhavan, Ipoh, make sure you come and check out the sweets here. Okay, and after that, Mr. Surya, thanks a lot for his hospitality here. Do come and try out this place. All right. I'll take one of my favorite. So I think this surlapam has always been my favorite. One of this, and I'm not a vegetarian, but I would like to try everything. All right. And one of this. Right. And one curry puff. Guys, now it's time for me to try my snacks. Okay, this is the banana bhaji, which is Valaka bhaji. So let's try it. First time we'll try it. Wonderful. It's crispy. It's not spicy. We cut out some flour. So you have this deep fried young banana inside. That, I just want to try a bit of everything. So I want to digest with this first, okay? Okay, this will be the curry puff. This is the vegetarian sweet potato curry puff. Okay? Yeah. I ended with a sweet dish, which is okay. This is my not even finished eating. My mother's coffee is here. You guys can have a look. Okay, so you gotta mix it like this. It's good. I'm really not good at this, but I enjoy this coffee very much. So since it's still hot, so I'm going to continue with my sweet dish, which is surlapam. Can I have a look at it? It's coconut, brown sugar coconut. Fantastic. It's really mouth-watering. And let's try the coffee. The mouth full of all this evening snacks. Very nice. I'm enjoying it. Superb. So I can do like my own Madras coffee pare. So when you guys come down to Ipoh, Ananda Bhavan, do not forget to check into this place and try all the dishes. The best. Okay guys, now I'm here at Ananda Bhavan, Ipoh. Right, so we have here Mr. Karthik. Hello. and Mr. Karthik will actually explain to us the variety that they have and they serve in this restaurant. So, Karthik, what specialty there?
Lunch time biryani rice.
Okay, lunchtime biryani is very famous here. Right?
Normal vegetarian biryani.
Okay, vegetarian biryani.
Tandoori fish biryani.
This is tandoori fish biryani. You see the decoration? Very well done.
Normal biryani. Tandoori fish. நல்லா பாயில் பண்ணி மேலே வந்து செட்டிநாட் கிரேவி.
Okay, that means they boil the fish and then they pour the chettinad gravy on top. It looks
Mint
nice.
sauce, tomato sauce,
So you have here mint sauce, you have
yogurt
raita,
raita,
and
chicken curry, nuts gravy,
nuts gravy. It's a specialty here. And next,
tandoori chicken biryani.
okay, this is another specialty here, which is tandoori chicken biryani.
Yeah.
So it's served with almost the same thing. Okay, also with the same chutney,
Same chutney.
raita,
Yogurt
raita,
chicken gravy,
chicken
nuts
gravy, nuts gravy. Okay. So when you guys come down, this is a specialty here, and you have to just try it out. Okay, and over here we have
Crab masala,
this is the crab masala over here.
Indian chettinad masala,
This is chettinad masala. Okay,
chili chicken gravy,
this is chili chicken gravy.
குடமிளகா,
Okay,
capsicum, onion,
this onion, capsicum, and also with chili. Okay, looks good. Alright.
curry chicken,
This is curry chicken. Okay, looks nice as well.
chicken sambal,
This is chicken sambal. This
Thai
is what-
sambal,
Thai
chicken
sambal.
Thai sambal,
Chicken Thai sambal. This is what I tried. It's lovely. Alright. And here,
curry mutton,
okay, we have
mutton curry,
mutton curry here.
chicken baratal,
Chicken paratal over here. And here,
chicken varwal.
chicken barbar.
ஆனந்தபவன் ஸ்பெஷல் சிக்கன் வறுவல்.
This is the specialty of Ananda Bhavan Ipoh. Chicken
சிக்கன்
Okay, and over here, the next item. Okay, we have
ஃப்ரை ஃபிஷ்,
fried fish,
பேபி கிராம்,
baby crab. Okay.
ஃப்ரை கட் பீஸ், கட் பீஸ், துண்டு மீன்,
Okay, this is cut piece tangri.
சிங்கிரி,
Tangri cut pieces.
சிக்கன் 65,
Chicken 65.
ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக பொரிக்கிறது.
Okay, this is lastly fried chicken. Chicken fried. Okay, next I will take you all to. Okay, these are all the vegetarian items. Mr. Karthik will teach to us. Okay.
பெண்டி மசாலா, முள்ளங்கி இது,
Okay, this is white carrot,
தவுப்பு வித் கச்சாம் பஞ்சாம்,
rambu kacang panjang,
ஸ்னேக் ஹார்ட், இது வந்து பாவக்காய்,
bitter gourd,
மிக்ஸ் வெஜ் கறி, வெஜிடேரியன் சிக்கன், தவுப்பு சம்பால்,
Okay, this one looks very nice. This is my favorite. Okay.
வெஜிடேரியன் மட்டன். ஓகே, அவ்வளோ.
Okay, all of you, very good hospitality by Mr. Karthik and the team here in Ananda Bhavan in Ipoh. So I'll just introduce all of you. These are all the people who actually prepare this wonderful dish over here. Okay, your name? He's Ram. Okay, and Babu. Okay, and
செஃப் முன்னாபாய்.
he's the chef here, Munna Bhai. Okay, so when you all come here, very good hospitality, food is awesome, and do not miss the opportunity to Ipoh, Ananda Bhavan. Alright, thank you everyone. Welcome. Bye. Guys, signing off from this place. This is Mr. Siva. Hospitality was good. Place was awesome. I'm going back to KL now. See you guys next time, and please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye.
நிறைய பேர் சொல்லுவாங்க ஆஃபீஸ் என்ன போதும் அவங்க கொடுக்குறாங்க நிறையா